everyone. I am Saujanya from DAV Public School. I am here to speak in favor of the motion.
My name is Nishit Kumar Singh from DAV Public School, Bihar.
Myself Priya from JNV Rajgir Nalanda. I am Kriti from PMC Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Rajgir.
I am Rishraj from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya OFN Rajgir and I am standing for the motion. Thank you.
Evening everyone, I am Surya Balasuman from Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajgir and I am against the motion.
I am Atman Kumar from Sadar Alam Memorial.
To everyone, my name is Yash Raj from Sadar Alam Memorial Secondary School.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Kirit Adarsh Raj representing Science School Nalanda. I am here to speak for the motion of the House.
Representing Sainik School Nalanda to debate against the motion of the House.
Mention of lack of infrastructure, high and costly education, and the last, lowering the level of syllabus and exams too much.
The rules and regulations of this inter-school debate competition are: first, each school has sponsored two participants, one who will be speaking for the motion of the House and the other one will be speaking against the motion of the House. Second, each participant will get 4 minutes to speak. The first cautionary bell will ring at the completion.
On the topic, NEP 2020 adequately addresses the problem of fundamental that helps in achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting national development. For any country with limited opportunities in employment,
Advocate against the topic, NEP 2020 adequately addresses the issues of access and inclusivity of education in India. Really, inclusivity in the National Education Policy 2020? A needle in a haystack. But how? Let me point out the shortcomings of NEP 2020 in order to assess its ground reality.
We have mother tongue as the medium of instruction till 5th grade. As we can see, China has the same provision from several years. Now, we can see the level of development and growth in China. Second thing, we have multidisciplinary program under this model, which means there is no strict division between commerce, science and humanity, as it existed earlier. Now, the students are more free to choose. Either they want to study commerce with physics or they want to study history with science. It's totally up to them.
About cultivating a human being to its highest possible potential, a tool for fulfilling the immensity of being. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, Sainik School Nalanda, members of jury, learned teachers and my dear friends. Good evening to everyone. Today, I, Kriti Bhatia Class 10 from PMC.
NEP 2020 has become an important issue on which many questions are also being raised. It is proving a very appropriate for solving a lot of problems of the questions of the students.
Medium of education in early stages would be in mother tongue or in local language. So English as a medium of teaching or instruction would go out of this.
Diversity in education in India. The National Education Policy 2020, which was started by Union Cabinet of India on 29 July 2020. It recognized that providing the universal
School to college level. NP was announced on 29 July 2020. In the National Education Policy NP 2020, language is a negative factor as
To reach out to the last citizen of our country has been put on these major principles, which are establishing schools in under-reserved areas, special education zones for specially able students, gender-inclusive measures, leveraging
Tools of accessibility and inclusivity in education in India. My worthy opponents are saying that the policy has been designed to revolutionize the education system by making it more accessible. But Mr. Speaker, sir, the policy does not mention any roadmap about promoting accessibility. In India, when a parent thinks of high quality
in order to ensure this quality education, I would like to mention one more point. Do we really understand what is inclusive? And also what is education? There was a student.
It means what? On those days also, they were comment and criticize, but not in a negative manner, in a positive way.
It gives me immense pleasure to once again welcome you all to this final proceeding of inter-school English debate competition for the session 23-24.
To overcome that public speaking fear, and then stand here and address. So they are winners. All of them, all the participants are winners in their own right. So a big congratulations to all of them. They have represented their school. They are the best from their school. They are able to come, stand in front of a large group of audience in a new school setup, new environment, and speak so confidently. Each one of them is a winner.
Thank you to each one of you for making the inter-school English debate competition a resounding success. Our sincere appreciation goes to our esteemed chief guest, Captain Indian Navy Naveen Krishna Chandra, Principal Science Nalanda, for gracing us with his benign presence and invaluable insights.